What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. So, Musa Mseleku threw a shade to Makhumalo, and this is actually being done again. And Musa Mseleku seems to have gone too far on this one. He has actually come under fire, for throwing shade to his own wife. This time, he actually did it in a public setting. So, during a family gathering, Mseleku made pointed comments about Makhumalo's behavior, and I can actually interpret that, as disrespectful, because this is not the first time Musa Mseleku is making these remarks about Makhumalo. And some people obviously are beginning to question whether this couple's relationship is in trouble, because this was one of the links that Musa Mseleku did not have a challenge with. But those comments actually sparked outrage online, with some people accusing Musa Mseleku of trying to belittle Makhumalo in front of the family and the public. So I don't want this tension to grow between the two of them, because one of the disasters that we don't want is for Musa Mseleku to be left alone. Is obviously the other wives have made it clear that they are leaving, but you don't want that. So, but one of the things that I've also seen is that despite all of this backlash, Mseleku seems to remain unapologetic, defending his comments is part of his role as the head of the family. So he's having this firm hand to say that I'm the head of the family and I have to get everyone in line here. So yeah, that is his perspective, because sometimes to get things to move, you have to be a little bit tough. That's how he sees it. Obviously, Musa Mseleku is that traditional guy, he's not the modern guy. That's one of the challenges or good things